Okay, this is how the mechanism looks like. I'm gonna lift it up, and you can see inside, you see a ramp, which goes right into this hole, and this ramp is for the coin. So you're gonna put this coin inside. And you can see the ramp goes down like that, and the coin falls down in here. Now you can see the coin is in there, and you can see this thing lifts up, like this little bar lifts up, and that's how you can pull. The coin falls down in this hole there, and the Kinder egg falls down as well. The bar is here, it's not lifting up anymore, so you can just put it back inside, and as you can see, it's locked again. Now let me show you guys this one more time. So the coin goes inside here. You can see the bar lifts it up. As you can see, you pull, the coin falls down as you hear, Kinder egg as well, and that's how the mechanism looks like.